The INFINITI Q50's InTouch system can sometimes freeze or become unresponsive. There are two main reset options, a soft reboot and a factory reset. A soft reboot clears temporary glitches without erasing your personal data. It's like restarting your phone. To perform a soft reboot, press and hold the power button on the touchscreen for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts. If the soft reboot doesn't work, a factory reset is the next step. A factory reset will erase all your saved settings, preferences, and personal data, restoring the system to its original state. To perform a factory reset, navigate through the Settings menu, Settings, then General, then Reset. Remember to back up any important data beforehand if possible. Remember that factory resets should only be performed if a soft reboot doesn't work. If your InTouch screen is completely frozen and unresponsive, even the power button might not work. In this case, try disconnecting the car battery for about 30 minutes. This forces a complete system reboot. Before doing this, ensure you know your radio code, as it may be required after reconnecting the battery. If you continue to experience freezes, especially after software updates, check the INFINITI support site or online forums for specific issues and potential fixes. Outdated software is a common cause of problems. If DIY solutions fail, consider taking your Q50 to a certified INFINITI dealer. They can diagnose hardware issues or perform more advanced software troubleshooting. Remember that repeatedly performing resets without addressing the underlying cause might not solve the problem and could potentially indicate a more serious issue.